at the meet. New video. Damn, bro. I need to see what's under the hood, bro. Damn. Bro, there's a Paxton on that hood. That's crazy. Yeah, he need that tire in the back.
I'll buy something like that now.
God damn. With the cage in that hood too is crazy. Man, that's nice.
That shit's nice, man.
Hey, this is pretty nice too. Cheese. All I do know is though, if I don't get a GTR, it's definitely an M4. The G82s, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
The flakes in the paint, dog. Oh yeah.
You can't go wrong with the white buckets. It's crazy. You can't go wrong, bro.
Love the flakes, man. This blue looks fucking beautiful.
No, that's crazy.
Yo.
That's crazy. What the fuck? You want two, bro? What the fuck? Yeah, I ain't no cuz, but I'd cop. Oh man, I'm in love. I'm telling you, I'm getting one soon. Soon, brother. Soon, my brother. It's the black edition. They come with those, the red and black. All right, we get it. Your chick is big. All right. Yeah, damn. I'm telling you, if I had to get a Shelby, it'd be this her, bro. Damn, look at the tire on that hoe. God damn. Carbon fiber on the wheels is crazy. That's nuts. You already know. Man, the carbon fiber lip is crazy. I think I've seen this on damn Instagram before. I swear to God I have. Regardless, it's clean as fuck. Can't forget about the Porsches though. Damn, this hoe's fucking clean, dog. Yeah. I just love the white and the blue. Just like, look at the blue, dog. This stuff is clean though on the fucking BBSs, bro. Look, this is nuts. Get out of my way, get out of my way. I need to get the GTR in the shot. I have to record this one, dog. Look at the fucking wheels. Nah, this hoe's fucking clean, dog. What the fuck? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. And this one too, bro. I fucking love GTRs, bro. I don't care what anyone says. Oh, man. What a nut. Got this fool looking at the price of a Jeep.
It ain't for me.
That's wild. How much is it?
36. Nah.
I'd rather buy a Type R. Fuck you. I haven't been recording shit, so we're just gonna start recording shit. Woo!